Professors at Stockton University have found a way to bring the real world into their classrooms. Our Nina Barati joined the Health and Sciences School today to see how they're preparing our future nurses beyond tests and papers.
With the final days of school coming to an end, Stockton University students are taking their final exams, making presentations, and writing a few papers. But the nursing students are getting a little bit of a different final exam and getting a glimpse into their future.
This program, the simulation program, allows them to interact with actors that simulate a patient that they may encounter in the hospital.
On top of their paper exam, the sophomores have to examine a simulated patient to find signs and symptoms towards different medical conditions. Everything from a test for carpal tunnel to listening to a heartbeat. The students get to practice on the actors.
The actors get to practice acting and they get paid and they can say, hey, I was a professional actor, I've done these things. And the students really get some in-depth knowledge, some hands-on learning of what they're going to be going out in the world and doing.
Thanks to the funds from a 2020 applied grant, different major programs at the university can use the student actors for class. For the nursing students, they get a taste of what it will be like in the field.
Next semester we're going to the hospitals for real, so having the practical in the lab is good practice. I felt like I was like in a doctor's office or something actually doing the assessments. The actors were really good and helpful too.
The theater and nursing students aren't the only ones who benefit from the program. Professors who watch get to evaluate their skills and interaction with the patients.
The third cause of death in the United States is mistakes. So you want students to be safe when they become nurses and are practicing in the field. And this does give us a clue, so to speak, as to whether or not they are going to be able to practice safely.
So they can study all they want, but having to do it in a real life scenario with somebody that they very likely do not know instead of just practicing on each other is really great experience, I think, for them.
Bringing students one experience closer to a successful career. I'm Nina Barati for SNJ Today.